Behind me, I have a massive dam, and in my hands, I have a remote control crocodile, which to me sounds like the perfect combo to a good prank.
Ashley!
Croc!
Josh! So do you think it looks real?
No.
Cut that out the vlog. So while we wait for my friends to arrive before we prank them, you guys know we'll have to have a ton of fun at the dam, so let's go do that. Woo!
Rum. I got rum.
Yeah. Chocolate. But chocolate's not that nice in a jelly bean.
You'll know.
Rotten milk.
Ew. Everyone spat out the crowd.
So while we're waiting for this weather to clear up, there's something I've been wanting to do for a while now, so...
What's that?
You good, bro? My balls. Hit my balls. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. Josh, you gotta try this, bro. Bro, there's no way. Oh, here we go. That was actually quite fun, I'm not gonna lie. This could end really badly. We feeling confident? We're gonna try 180. Let's go. It's hard to get your footing on it. It's overcast with a slight drizzle. Perfect conditions to catch a river monster. Let's see what we can find. Nah. Reeds. We got the river monster. We got him. Check it this. Oh, we still got him. This is the river monster. We got him. Come boys, come on. I really feel like I gotta give up looking for this river monster. If you guys have been following the channel for a while, you know we've been looking for this thing, but every time we just fail. So I thought I'd bring the river monster to everyone else. Let's get into the prank. So I guess to be a good brother, I'm just gonna have to prank my sister as well. So let's get her to fall and then let's go ahead with it. Do a flip! No.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try another time.
Ash,
What's that? Ashley!
Croc!
Oh my god! Stupid.
Hey, let's croc. No.
Stupid. So mean. That's not even funny. What is this thing?
That was a good one. Daniel, do a flip for the vlog.
Did it look good? How was the dismount?
No, it looked cool. Crocodile! Oh, the crocodile! Go, Daniel! Go! Yo, Daniel, you were almost eaten, man.
I thought you guys were pranking and I was just like, that thing looks real, okay?
I didn't know there were crocodiles in here.
Andy, when you said it to a girl, I was just like, yeah, do I have to?
Yeah, maybe this isn't the best spot, eh? What are you looking at me for?
Because I feel that there's some scam.
Scam?
You were scared.
When you said it, I was just like, no, that looks fake.
But Daniel, you were.
he jumped out.
I was just like, you know what, just in case.
Just in case you were scared.
No.
Now you got a fright. You see what it is?
Oh, hey.
Oh my god, break the crocodile! Get out the water!
Time it.
Oh, the crocodile is swimming with you, your pet!
Coming back for more, bro. So while we were pranking my friends, cousin Josh was away at the Kruger, but now that he's back, I think he deserves a good prank. Do a flip! Works every time.
Dude, I almost landed that 180 switch.
Josh, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
What is that?
Josh.
Urban!
Got him! Hey, welcome back, cousin Josh.
Dude, that really wasn't funny at all.
Sorry, bro. Hey! I guess I deserve that. Okay, we're filming this, in photos.
You said you wanted to be on the vlogs, Juvan.
Yeah.
You are now the star of the show.
Juvan, what's that? Juvan! Hello, there's a crocodile!
That was so disappointing.
Yeah,
Why aren't you scared? Come on.
I know there's no crocs here.
That's our first failure. You're not even scared, just a little bit. Just look at it. Just a little bit.
Oh my goodness.
Great reaction, thanks. Do a flip! Oh, it's always good starting the year off with a great prank. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys the following week, Wednesday, and Brown Vlogs. Peace!